Hey, what's up? Just caught Blake over here working. I didn't get any video shots, and so we're just checking out the car today.
Here it is.
Yeah,
Still here.
it's a full on coupe now.
This wasn't a fever dream. It's in. We really did burn 700 miles of filler rod.
Yeah,
It's a real life right turn.
real life freight train.
Every time.
It's Scratch's garage, and we're back on the sour box. It's the weekend before Christmas. And we got the Blake here. We're only half a buzzard. We're a buzzard down.
It's alright.
So, what are your plans today, man?
I'm gonna run through some of your filler rod.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. That sounds good.
Yeah.
Be sure to not spike my.
Your tip?
Yeah,
I didn't mean to throw your torch last time.
Yeah. So don't throw the torch on the ground.
I did. Yeah. I'll try not to.
Okay. So let's weld up the back of the sour box. I think I'm going to cut the inner structure out and then try to put those door frames in. I got to cut all that stuff out and then clean up the around the door edges. It's going to be a short night tonight or a short day today. So maybe stick around. Maybe we'll do some highlights from that. It'll be kind of funny. Maybe not. I don't know.
Maybe.
Maybe. All right. Well, keep watching and see what happens. In North Texas, and it is hot in the sun and cold in the shade. So we actually have the heaters out, and it's a couple of days before Christmas. We're gonna do some stuff later on tonight for the holidays, and I've ordered a roll bar for the head. I nearly said the head scratcher. I ordered a roll bar for the sour box, and I need to order a Vega box and shaft for the sour box. And that's like the big stuff that we need to do. Everything else is like pretty simple. Like,
A lot of in stuff.
need to change the rear springs, like get new rear springs, and then I'll end up getting the axle and all that stuff from Denon. He's out in Alabama, and I found a 4-speed that I'm going to put in the car, and some other stuff.
Take your steering wheel.
Got a steering wheel, so we're just moving right along with this thing. I want to get it in at least sealer for the Lone Star Roundup. So
We'll see.
keep watching. We're just doing a bunch of welding and small stuff like that today. Might not be the most amazing theatrical event, but it will be amazing.
Hey, man.
Hey, man.
How's it going?
So here we are with the sour box again.
Back. It's
And so what have you been doing this morning already?
Man, we got the roll pan in, so welded all that up. You clean the seams up, welded those up. So now it all look like one nice flush piece. And then kind of game plan the trunk where we're gonna cut it, get it all put it back up, and finish welding that. So hopefully we'll have one section here.
Right.
Yeah.
So we'll have that all welded in. I mean, it's tack welded in, it's fitted, all that. It just needs to be welded.
Welded.
And then we need to get this welded in, like solid. It's all been tacked in. And I think maybe one other piece that needs to be welded in.
Yeah, that other quarter panel patch, it's tack welded in too.
Oh, okay. Yeah. I'll look at that. And then just a couple of little spots on the catwalk. Meow. That needs to be fixed. That we're just missing a little. But overall, it's great. It's a coupe now. It's a coupe.
So maybe by the end of the day, it'll be a whole car welded.
Yeah. Man, it'd be great to throw the doors back on.
Now you're talking crazy.
Well, we haven't had the doors back on since we made it a coupe.
That's right. I guess it's time.
All right. Man, I love this thing. It's like one of my new favorite tools. There we go. Am I in the box here? All right, so this is the outro. I feel like we got everything accomplished that we wanted to get done today.
Yeah. The rear quarter panel seams welded in. The roll pan's in. And most of the trunk's welded in
Yeah.
on my
Yeah.
side.
I did get that one window frame action in. And I got all this stuff cut out and grinded and welded it in a little bit more. Out of that. And we do have a special guest today. If Greg would love to
Oh, absolutely. I always love to be stepping into the frame of whatever might be going on. But I want to tell you that the Strawberry Ranch truck has been, it's been a pleasure to have it in the background all the time that y'all been working on the other truck, the other car, the sour box. It's the red truck that's always on the lift in the background, adding a little color. And I always appreciate y'all looking up there. And I know y'all love that truck. And one day you're going to see the end of that production. And it's going to be all absolutely fantastic. Because Scratch and the boys over here, the Buzzard, they're going to work on it. They've already worked on it. And they're going to get it all unbelievably great. And I want y'all to know that I appreciate every bit of it. Amen. Merry Christmas. Let's go.
Perfect.
Thank you there, Greg. I appreciate it. Yeah, this is Greg, the Hat Whisperer. FYI, you've maybe heard me talk about him before, but look at how great this hat is.
Good one.
It's a good one, right? Look at that young man.
Personality is all about your hat and your personality. That's what I always try to fit in to the hat that you wear so that it's yours and yours alone. A lot like a Harley rider says, I make this Harley my Harley. I make your hat your hat.
Yeah, just like I'm making your truck your truck.
Amen.